How to use Miniswap easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Miniswap DeX easy tutorial. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you'll go to miniswap.org and you will land on this platform right here. Miniswap is a decentralized exchange governed by a community that zaps. So with Miniswap, we have our own earn option, we have farm, Zapin, and more. We will be able to find all of the different tokens with the marketplace on Miniswap, and it has a lot of different options and a very fun platform to use, very easy. Once you get to the platform, you actually have to click on launch app button and it will take you to the main website, the main platform, which is Miniswap. Right here you can see we have overview, trade, liquidity, farm, and launch bowl. The first step of course is going to be connecting our wallet. Click on connect wallet and you will get different wallet options. We have a Min wallet, we have Nami and others. So I have a Nami wallet. I'm just going to select this one. Click on access and your wallet will be connected. If you do not have a Nami wallet, it's actually really easy to get. You can just search for Nami and get your Google extension for Chrome. There is also an app available. So once you have connected your wallet, you're good to go. Now I will show you all of the different options we get with our Miniswap. So first of all, in overview, we have our liquidities, we have volume and top pools. So you can see we have different pairs. We have ADA Min and then we have ADA LQ, ADA Society. So all of the token pairs are available. You can scroll down to explore the marketplace. In the marketplace, you will be able to find the pair name. Then we have price, which is at the time of making this video, TVL, 24-hour volume, 7-day volume, and queuing. If I click on this drop down, it will show me the comparison between the pair that we have. For example, with ADA and Min, we have 1 ADA is equal to 27 min, and then we have 1 min is 0.03 ADA. LP fee is 0.3%, trading fee is 0.23%. We have swap option and add liquidity. Let me show you both. First of all, if you want to swap tokens, you will click on swap. It will open it up for you right here. We have our graph that is actually showing us a comparison. It's an hourly graph. Then you have to select from which token you want to convert to. So I want to convert ADA to Min. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter maybe 100 ADA, which is going to be $33, and it will give me 2,000 Min. Right here you can see. So it is also, again, it is $33. So the exchange rate is actually pretty good. Click on, exchange, swap, and your tokens will be swapped. We can select other tokens from here as well. I'm going to convert Min to ADA. Let's say that I have 500 Min. So it's going to be $6 and it will give me 18 ADA, which is again $6. So the swap rate is actually pretty good. This is how we do the swapping. Just click on the swap button right here and your tokens will be swapped. Then we have the limit option right here. With the limit order, what you can do is you can order different tokens with the limit option right here. If I click on this bar, it will allow me to actually calculate my slippage tolerance. We have predict swap prices. We have other things as well. I'm going to select the slippage tolerance for 0.5%. And now you can see we have from and to, and then you will enter your limit price, which is 0.03 for this right here. It's going to be 0.36 ADA or Min. And then if I scroll down a little bit, again, it's showing me some of the information. We have minimum received, price impact, liquidity, better fee, deposit, ADA, and word. Before we continue the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Buying and selling different crypto, and then we have different liquidities that we add. It involves a high degree of risk, or whether you offer to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand the swapping, the tokens, the trading, liquidity, and then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for you guys about the platform Miniswap and about the decentralized chain that is available. So we actually checked the swap end option. If you want to add liquidity, you can click on add liquidity here, or you can just go to the liquidity option and you will be able to choose from hundreds of different pairs and perpetuals and add your liquidity. To add the liquidity, first select your first token. So my first token is going to be Cardano. And then my second token is going to be, let's say, Min, because we are doing it on Minswap, so that's why. All right, first token, I have 100 Cardano. So again, it's the swapping rate you can see. Click on add liquidity and you will be able to add it. Click on your liquidity and it will show you the liquidity that you have already created. Again, click on these, lines and it will allow you to select the slippage tolerance. So that's how you add liquidity on this DEX. Moving on, we have farms right here. So I will take you. We have farm, mint, investing, and I'll take you to farm. I'm actually showing you around all of the different options one by one quickly so that you can get an idea that what are the different options you get on a Minswap. In farm, stake LP tokens to earn MN and more. First of all, you can customize your search by staked only or LB farm. Moving on, we have ADA and mint. We have different pairs and liquidities that are already created, and we can create a farm of our own or take part in it. So we have withdraw or stake option available. If you want to stake, click on the stake option given. It will open up the amount for you. So the tokens you own, the amount you own, those LP tokens, you will be able to stock. Again, the marketplace is pretty big and you will be able to find all of the different farms that are created right here on Minswap. You can also see that if I scroll down, it's actually a very good platform and very interactive. That's why I really like it. You can see we have our funds right here as well. This is our account and this is our wallet that we connected. Then we have the orders. This will show me my order history. If you have created any liquidity, any farms, if you've done any trading, you will be able to find the history right here. So this is all about Minswap. All of the different options are available. You can go ahead and check them out. We also have a launch ball right here, which is actually, it offers you a promising project, some of the most potent DeFi primitives to launch and increase their liquidity. So you can also check out this option and it gives you learn, and Minswap app is also available. So I'm just going to take you back to the overview right here. And we also have a Zapin option that you will see around a lot in Minswap. Zapin is an easy way to provide liquidity when you only have one token of the pair. So this is actually a very unique option available on Minswap. And it gives you and allows you to actually add liquidity with only one pair. Again, all of the, pairs are available. You can see. Select the one you want to go for, check out their pricing, calculate your SIP page, and you will be able to add liquidity, stake, and more. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.